This is my birthday look. I had to finish off camera because my battery is about to die. So I finished the look, I put on my little hat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you later. Everything that I use in the video is gonna be in the description box. So check it out. Bye guys. We are doing a makeup tutorial for my birthday. I'm excited. We're gonna jump right in. I got a lot to do. So we are using 3 primers. One size secure the sweat. You need a dime size amount of this. And you can just put this wherever you get sweaty. I usually get sweaty on my forehead, even in the winter. One size, this is oil sucker. We're gonna put this wherever we have large pores. I got large pores here, here. This one you need a dime size amount as well. And you just push it together and put it wherever you get your large pores. The trick with this primer is you gotta let it sit. The next primer is the glue primer from NYX. And I'll put that wherever else. I didn't put the other primer, I'll put this one. You see the nose is changing already? That's exactly what you want. It's gonna look scary, but you gotta trust the process. Next, you're gonna go right in with your color corrector. This is gonna get rid of all your hyperpigmentation, and I like to put it on my scar and dark circles and my mustache that I don't have. Blend this out. So actually tomorrow is my birthday. So I'm celebrating today, because today is the only time I have to do all my content. So I'm excited. It's like crazy because it's snowing out. So I'm using Hoola. This is just like her powder. And you just want to set this color corrector, because if you don't set, it's going to blend in with your foundation. You don't want that. I got myself one of these sponge. For foundation, I'm using Halo Glow from e.l.f. And I'm also using the Mario foundation. Boom, boom, boom. All done faster. Try not to get it in my hair. This worked pretty good. Oh my goodness. Wow, foundation done. I'm gonna grab my Mario F4 brush and we're gonna further blend this foundation. So we're gonna use our contour stick. This is from LYS. My favorite, I love this. Find your cheekbone and you're gonna apply. And the jawline. This is gonna make your jawline very chisel and snatched up. For the nose, I'm using the e.l.f. contour one. And I like to do like a V here. And kind of like you make like a triangle here. And go on the side into the brow bone. Let's start to buff it now. Whenever I do my contour, I like to push mine up. That's just gonna lift your face up. And I do the side. Now I do not want this in my hair. Just gonna blend. And then go down to the jawline. Go around here, push up. Just gonna try to touch all your face. And I just use the same brush to do the nose. With cheek clapper, I'm gonna use their liquid blush on top of the cheekbone. Because I got a round face, so I gotta always try to put my blush here. We're gonna set with the Milk Primer Spray. This is gonna just make your makeup melt and look gorgeous. Closest concealer. I'm gonna put this here, down the nose. Here. Reverse contour. Kylie concealer brush. Just blend down. Amani concealer. This is just like a brighter concealer. In the middle of the forehead. I do the reverse contour here. Drag down both sides around the mouth. Kind of like going into the nose, because you want the inside of your face to be extra warm and just beautiful. And then since we have our concealer been sitting for a while, let's blend that out now. Start from the bottom and then work your way up. This brush is very pointy, so it's like perfect for the edge, the sides of your eye here, just to get a nice sharp edge. We're gonna go right back in with the foundation brush just to blend out these harsh lines way more natural. You see how better that looks already? We're gonna set everything. I like to set my under eye first, so I'll go back and just blend it out before we set, just so it lock right into place. And I'm using my Sephora Puff. We're using the one size, the Ultra Pink powder. I'm gonna just set right here. Set the other side. Let's set the rest of the face. So we're gonna do here, reverse contour, here, around the mouth, forehead. I'm gonna set the entire face with one size, Fenty Mocha Mami. We're gonna set the contour, set the nose. For blush, we're using the Too Faced. Oh wow, I did not know. This one smells so yummy. It's like a pinky purple blush. Let's see. Ooh. Oh yes, it's giving. Fine as Fudge from e.l.f. So we're gonna put this on the eye, right in the inner eye. And we're gonna take it up high and drag it out here. The theme of the birthday party is white. Bronzer and blend out the edges right in the inner eye here. I see why they was comparing this to Patrick Ta. It's kind of similar, but I don't know about Patrick Ta comparison. It's like literally diamonds on your eye. Very pretty. Ooh, and when you move in the light, you could see the color payoff. Liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f. And that's what that looks like. So I'm gonna put this on both sides, and I'm gonna use that same brush, blend it into the eyeshadow. Let's just like take it to another level. I'm thinking about using some rhinestone. So I got two options. I have these smaller ones. I also have these bigger ones here. This is the glue. We're gonna start off, let's start off big to small. So I'm gonna put one here, goes here. See what the look is now? Black eyeliner for the lower lash line. And I also like the tight line. This just makes the eye more defined and stand out even more. Duochrome liquid eyeshadow. This is from e.l.f. So we're gonna put this right in the inner tear duct, like so. I did go ahead and put on some bling. It was hard to do it on camera. Thanks to my boyfriend for helping. So we're gonna put that right in the inner eye, just like this. Repeat that on the other eye. Brown lip liner. It's gonna define the lip. I'm thinking about doing just like a lip gloss. So overdraw your top lip. Glow Revival lip oil. This is from e.l.f. And you have like glitter. Then we're gonna get some more and then put it right in the center. Going in with Dior. I'm gonna do the nose here and the tip of the nose to define your cupid's bow here under the brow. Oh, I love the eyes. Diamond bomb for the cheeks. You know what? I'm gonna go right in with my hand. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be changing and I'll be right back. This is the final look, guys. I got dressed. This is my birthday look. Stay tuned. So I finished the look. I put on my little hat. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you later.